How did you get the house back from the bank?
I bought the bank.
We are understanding how huge is Wayne Empire. We analyzed the half of the Wayne Empire yesterday. Let's analyze the half of the Wayne Empire today. Next huge company is Wayne Medical, which is sister company of Wayne Biotech, focused on treating illness, runs hospitals in Gotham. Next is Wayne Electronics, which is into manufacturing electronics, providing IT services, has contracts with aerospace, nautical and military industries. Another company of Wayne Empire is Wayne Entertainment, which owns stadiums and arenas, leases facilities and partners with media houses. Next organization is Wayne Institute, which is think tank for future problem solving. Another is Wayne Research Institute, which catches all R&D division for Batman relevant technologies. Then comes the three major foundation of the Wayne Empire. The first is the Wayne Foundation, which funds scientific research, social outreach programs and charities. Bruce Wayne is smart enough to not own the penthouse and the underground bat base in his own name, and rather it is owned by this foundation. Next is a foundation in his father's name, Thomas Wayne Foundation, which supports medicine, medical research, award grants. The last one in his mother's name, Martha Wayne Foundation, which supports arts, families, education, tolerance, runs orphanage, schools, kitchens. This is the macro level empire of Wayne Enterprise. Two questions for you. How he shows Batman expenses in his books of accounts, and he bought his own company back through various charitable foundations and trust. How?